We are live in the e-kitchen today, y'all. However, we are not cooking. Once again, I'm still working on the centerpieces for my daughter's upcoming Sweet 16. And I just wanted to take you guys through the process once again as it has been requested. So again, I'm not going to talk through this whole entire video. I will pop in and out where I deem necessary. So enjoy the video. Okay, so we are done with the middle section of the 3-tier centerpiece that we have. I'm working on doing three-tier centerpieces for the birthday party. So this is the bottom box here. So I am gluing the middle section to the bottom section. That's what you'll see me doing here. And stay tuned. So in this portion of the video, we are adding some gems to the bottom tier, and then we're also going to add on the top tier. And for this, we decided to use this polka dot box on the very top, and so you'll see us gluing that down. We're also going to add some gems to the top of the top tier because I'm going to use the gems to help stabilize the pearls, depending on how we want to have them hang over the box. We can use the stones and kind of just use the hot glue and glue them down. So you'll see me here just kind of testing out how I want it to look and how I want the pearls to flow. So, you know, nothing is in stone, you guys. You have to kind of just go step by step. And as I was reviewing the centerpiece, there was a bit of a gap between the first tier and the second tier that I really didn't like. So during this part of the video, I am taking one of those pearls, I cut it, and then I am gluing it all the way around the box. And then you'll also see me do that between the second tier and the third tier, just to make the centerpiece more uniform. Okay, so in this next clip, you will see me and my mom working together. Mostly her making the bows and kind of manipulating the mesh and the tool. She is excellent at this, so I always have her come in and help me with this part of my decorating. So you will see both of us working together. you know, just making the bows and making the ribbons and tying everything and gluing everything down so it is secure. So I will let you guys watch this portion of the video. Alright, you guys, we're coming to the end of the video here. You will see us finishing up this version of the centerpiece. At the end of the video, you will see a total of 3 different versions. We wanted to kind of show you guys, you know, so many different varieties of what you can do with these centerpieces. So we wanted to show you guys 3 different versions, and you'll see that at the end of the video. So make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends and family about the eKitchen. We are more than just cooking. So we hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.